All right, good morning. Trying to catch early bird catch the worm here on a Monday. Looking for a 3p move from our entry point right here at 8. 53.70 entry point. 53.45 would be a 1p down move from entry. I really want to measure 3p though from up here. Be 53.87. That brings it in at 53.13. And we have a GAN signal at 53.16. Let's keep that in mind, 53.16, 53.13. We're going to go ahead and lock in 5 right now. Actually just 4 since that's on a 5. This might end up be our only trade of the day. Maybe we'll get lucky in a continuation move here. Down 1p, a 2p down move from entry point. It's 21, 53.21. Okay, we have S2 down here too, by the way, at 31. So we want to keep our eyes on that. Let's go ahead and lock in 10. Call it 11. $52.96 is on a low from a previous session. We're going to go 97 just to be on the safe side here. Call it 99. And we'll go ahead and protect the 45 line. We'll call it 44 now. 46. Let's go ahead and protect 53.01. We're going to go 9 ticks off of, let's go 41. Looking for high red bar volume here too, which tightened me up real quick. Going down to 39. All right, went to 35. 3 off of that is 38. See if we can get that 2p run right here. Got one eye on plus 50 as well. Let's air to 39, not 38. Let's go off on an odd number just in case. Alright, see how close we got to catching plus 31 on the trade. Our lows are on here for a reason. Let me know where the lows were prior. I don't think I have anything below 52.96. It's kind of where I thought the market could run to. But then I had the other target on too, right? So we saw this as well. So I thought we might slow down right around S2, and this line right here, 53.24, this was a previous low from another session. We'd have to look back to see where that was. And this was the low. This is the low of for a while. Okay, that went to 5339, right on target. So hey, maybe I could have. You always look back and you think I could have done better. But especially if the market continues to fall. But you got to remember how far we've already been right now. The high today is 5524, and 53, where we are right now at 53.26, is already an 8p down from the highs at 55.24. So I was curious of how far we could fall. 53.01 is 9p, which was the target I was looking for in the end. I was looking for 53.01. That would have been a little above here, which can run. Looks like if I'd have held it at 41 right now, been a better place to hold. Looking back at this, I didn't really respect this line here, because I thought if I was going to have to hold, it was going to be all the way back here at break point. Because I thought maybe we'd have a violent move first time down through S2 as well. I went to 2p but not through it, by the way. See it, listen at 53.21. And this is a 3p move down here. It's actually physically 96, but we're calling it 97. Keep our eyes on it. 99, somewhere in that area. would be your exit point. Alright, so I'm going to pause here and we're going to find out which one gets hit first, the 41 mark or the 3P mark. Be back. Alright, down to 5306. There's 169, 170 at 5300. At this point in time, I would be protecting the 21 line if I could have stayed in it. At least 21. Most likely I'd be protecting right on top of this right now, 13 and 3. Coming down 10 ticks off the low. We'll call it 13 now. So I believe this is coming down to the bottom here. I'm following 10 ticks behind here. This would have been maximum profit on the trade, by the way. With one contract trading, I trailed 10 ticks behind. You know you're going to get stopped out, just a matter of where and when now. Because we're right on top of the 3P target. $41 obviously didn't get hit. 41 would have been a better place to hold instead of 39. Hindsight always works in hindsight though. You always find a better place to hold a trade. I like 39 when I was holding it though, otherwise I wouldn't have set it. But also thought it would be pretty close to 39 too if it did take me out. And that just comes with practice and timing to be able to pick off better exit points. None better than I used to be, but I still, and I left profit on the table again today. Alright, that just ran us out right there, that little up move. Alright, so that would have been maximum profit right there at 53.13 today on this opening trade on Tuesday morning, not Monday morning if I said Monday earlier. Today's Tuesday, September 3rd, 2019, day after Labor Day. Nice opening trade here. Maximum profit on the trade at 53.13 from entry point at 53.70. would have been 57 ticks. I got 31. So if I was a little bit better in managing my trade, I had plus 26 ticks possible of expected, or I don't know if you call that expected profit, but of opportunity profit. Let's just call it opportunity. But still, 31 ticks on the opening trade coming back is not a bad day on one trade win. All right, so let's pause here. Let's find out which way the market wants to run here. I'll be back in a bit. All right, so if we weren't out this last time, we'd definitely be out now. I'm not going to allow this market to move this far against me. Ends up going to 53.03 and then back up it went. So if it wouldn't have knocked me out here, it definitely would have knocked me out here. And this is going to do it for this opening trade right now on the Tuesday morning. So I'm going to stop this video here. It was a decent trade set up. Maximum profit was 57 ticks again from 53.70, and we ended up getting knocked out at 39 right on top of this. I can't tell you how many times this has done that to me. I pick the swing top, so wherever I think maybe add two more. It's uncanny how many times I'll pick that. It's absolutely uncanny how many times I'll pick a top. A swing top, I should say. Minor swing top. But I'm good at that. This 13 exit. That would have been a good 13 exit. Notice all the red bars. This was all red coming down. And we had red prior too. We had the highest volume bar is actually red coming in at 651. So it was all red all day, all the time. So I was expecting the market to show some weakness at the open at 9 o'clock or 8 o'clock a.m., which we saw here. And it wouldn't surprise me to see us get all the way back up here. And if it's, going back all the way back up here, going up here to the previous high at 63, previous low at 63, and getting all the way back up here in the session. But I don't like catching falling knives, especially where we're trading right now between S1 and S2. Excuse me, we're actually below the S2 line now at 5331. Excuse me, so certainly don't like trading long side below S2. That's one of the cardinal sins for me, is trying to catch a bottom below that S2 line. I'd be better off to wait for the market to top out and then take it back down. Alright, that's going to do it for this trade. This is Dave Knight here at 123 Day Trade. Hope you enjoyed this analysis today. Basically what I did is I looked at my hourly chart. Went back and looked at this, and I saw that it's a continuation. I looked at my 10-minute chart and said, alright, we can continue to move on down. And we just took advantage of that. We just took advantage of momentum going in the direction of the overall bias of the market coming into the Monday, or excuse me, I keep calling it Monday, but it's Tuesday. That'll do it for today. or this particular trade that I want to put up on YouTube. Bye for now.